Sorkar TV. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Ka Sorkar jelak la pentip bakan sasa mika song pisa jingaram kabamar shipho Hajar tingka hakastantri ku Nailar Hajar Phosan shiki Nongdie Madan bala syap penkin ria nerut surok khandaila syapaking la jong kemuda hagaji kram ikilar pathai kubor hakap khandai te ku naitung Hajar Phosan ubak polo yatho baka Sorkar kansashnaru khasan ligi pan khana nagabenta ki Nongdie Madan hapo ka krum jong kemuda bat pen biang ru yaku umbam umdi khnang bakin dubla ben kam manaka Sngi Hagbiade bat ka surok khandailan ubap polo yatho bakla rabin shim ni kerteng jengin nong hakindailan bekin nyo ek special pass bat na kabenta ka jingbit jingbiang jengin ya lenti nado ka por nyo bejemin step hado ka por khandai bejemin mid oram sha satya banyat kali na pedeng ka surok hakindailan lat no satang habadan kinu jingja bakirke shushu ulayatho bekajing beteng ban kendang hikinong di Madan kendang beteng sahalat imkra civil hospital point bat hakiwe ki jaka
ni so keban bah kalong bah ka ying kashri jong ka Meghalaya kala ai ya ka jingiro ya ka appreciation ya ka rukom ka ba ka Sorkar kala pendap ban penkenria ya ki Nongdie Madan ka ba layak baik ya renti pat ka ba menta kilayo lakadong ka vending zone apo jong ka building jong ka muda di nalor ki bangla de patai berosi kata mentara Sngi u sebut menteri rangba in charge ke kam penroi kesor masnya bahalang dar ha ka jingilang ke bangala dan lang ringkat ki officers jong ka Shillong municipal board gilarai ru pa nginyat chakmat banang penbit penbiang ya ki facilities na benda ki niki vendors kini nong di Madan kawai na kita kalong ban penbiang ki jaka lit shabar ki washroom kat santeli ha ka benda basyapo basement jong ketika muda parking lot baar kalong ba ngin penbiang ru ya ke bat hakejuk kepor hakasan Tarik bat benda benar banwan ringkat bat u sebut menteri rangba dan ni dan lang ban sam ya kajing kersian pisah shifo Hajar iwe Nongdie Madan ketang bat penting kena ba kajing kerja jongki syakan ni ka jaka kayo ke batamai kan om ketak pat ya ke kamai ke kaji ke jongki di bat ngi mangala pembena ngi airu iki Hajar man benai na benta kisan benai bendang wan di kebapi kinong tiet nong pet ru kila lek kila jengok kila lek tiet jing tiet na kate kayo ke batamai bat kepat ru iki pai ba pakin ya kersan lang nawar kedai na benta kejimbit jimbiang lang jobaro dia kejing idai pat bat ke kendailat kembangala de penbena la pikir mau arsnem mensua ngelit penjengok e kete jaka bat ngila ong ba ngin penlong ya ka pedestrian zone lani ka jaka nak benta ki nongyat kejap di ban pen dikena ya kini ngila rai ru ba ngin shim ya ka kerteng jong ki nong shong ha ketika area bat tang kini ki pas sa ha ketika area ki ban yo deki pas ki ba kerpang na benda jongki dinrei nak benda kajing bit jengbiang jongki nongya kejat man ka Sngi pedeng nyau beje men step haduk kendai beje min mit kadam don kajing ya jongki kali like satang haki emergency kijing ja ki bakerki kum kajing ding kum medical emergency di bat kani ka weiru ke banglai penbet kolong ba ke yeg tang gitu gi ba sa hang tu mdei ban ong gi ba sa cubu na laban la ni na laim kra ki ba don dukan akan dalat kita ki num yo ki pas di tik tang ta ki nong shong shnong ki ba sa hang tu area tinalo kataru ngi la rai ba kapas kan long baik na benda ka wei ke depe yeng ka wei kapas ki don ki yeng ki balak bandan lai sau lagi kali ndai kanemut bagin ai lai sau lagi pas te light nang ta gi rai ru ba kani ke jing pun kuj bat ka jing weng no ya ki nong die madan kan beteng hakwe de ki jaka ki balong ki jaka khai don naki ki balong bat jaka khai bat jaka sa ru ya kini ngin ya chakmat ban beteng ko mahala imkra civil hospital point but shwe de we are extremely happy that the Honorable High Court of Meghalaya has expressed its total satisfaction over the manner in which the state government has gone ahead in relocating vendors in a manner that is done very professionally with and making sure that there is now sufficient space for all route users and especially pedestrians to move in and around the city's busiest commercial area. So this morning, I also had a discussion with our Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Urban Affairs, Pak Nyob Halang Dahar, and officers of the Shillong Municipal Board, led by its CEO, Mr. Boro. So I would like to now spell out a plan of action. One is this should come to your attention that elsewhere in the country, wherever hawkers have been relocated, they have only been given a space. However, in the case of the relocation here in Shillong, which was carried out recently, we have also provided them with amenities like proper lighting. We are also we have sanctioned work which will start immediately for 15 washrooms close to this will be on the basement of the Muda complex, and also drinking water facilities. That apart, the state government has also decided to go ahead with the planned pedestrianization of Nailar. In this regard, we have tasked the municipal board with the responsibility of collecting details of residents of that particular stretch so that we will be in a position to issue them passes for their cars. And that will be only for residents of that area. It will not be for residents, say, who are from outside of Nailar but having business enterprise in that area. Again, more importantly, we have also decided that the pedestrianization will be carried out immediately, and the timing will be 7 a.m. to 9 p.m., where there will be no movement of vehicles at all, except where passes will be issued. And these passes will be mainly to facilitate dropping of school kids during school days. However, on holidays, there will be absolutely no movement of vehicles in the pedestrianized area, except on emergency basis. And say unforeseen incidents like fire incidents and incidents of that nature, medical emergencies. So again, I repeat that the timing of the pedestrianized zone will be 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. every day, where there will be no movement of vehicles from the stretch that leads to the entrance of Nailar up to Sorkar, up to the access to Sorkar. So this is briefly what we have discussed. Also on the 5th of July, the Deputy CM, 5th of August, on the 5th of August, the Deputy CM and myself will personally hand over checks as promised to all the vendors, which is a sum of 10,000 rupees per vendor.
Wat penleno yakani kakabu ki sopti etho ki babha bat shongdor nadu sao po hajar hadu hnriu po hajar tingka menta phila banyo hagador lai po hajar tingka ya ki sopti etho ba shongdor hinyo po hajar chaneng phinyo tang san po hajar tingka tang kata ka wei ka sopti ka de ka wei ka design tang na ka binta jongphi wan jet nok loi na molai moro bat na mot pran pho no menta hau khandai sao lai hnriu san pra hinyo lai pra